Adding and editing text in PicoPDF. Open your PDF file in PicoPDF. Click on Existing Text to edit it. Select the text to change font properties. Click and drag the text block border to move it to a new location. Click the Add Text button to add text to your PDF. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on adding and editing text in PicoPDF. To add or edit text, start by opening your PDF in PicoPDF. The Add Text button is located on the Home tab. Click the Add Text button, then click on the PDF where you want the new text added. A text box will display on your PDF. Use your keyboard to type the new text into the text box. You can add as many new text fields as you want. Existing text can be moved to a new location in your PDF. Click on the text to select it. Click on the text border and drag the text to the new location on your PDF. Existing text can be edited by clicking on it. A blue box will appear around the text block that is ready to be edited. Click and drag to highlight text. Type to replace the highlighted text or click the Delete key to remove it. To change the font properties, select the text that you want to change. The font properties are displayed under the toolbar. To change the font, open the font list and select the new font from the drop-down menu. Click on the bold or italic button to make the selected text bold or italic. Change the font size of your text by clicking the up and down arrows, or type your desired font size. Change the color of your text by clicking the Text Color button and selecting the color from the Edit Colors window. To highlight text, select the text, then click the Highlight button. Click the drop-down next to the Highlight button to select a highlight color. To delete a block of text, select the text block and right-click. On the menu, click the Delete option. Once you are finished editing your PDF, use Save As to save your changes to a new document or Save to overwrite your source file. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.